Hi, this video is for Abby Fadel. Abby, this is going to be video number 1 on your website. This is just a general video to show you, let me get rid of that, to show you how to edit the site. So based on our conversation, it sounds like you probably want to do it from the live site. So this shows as if I'm already logged in. So I logged in and I opened 2 tabs. Let me flip these tabs. So this is the one tab that I'll edit, and this is the one. And go up here and get the home page so we can see the changes. So let's go back here and we're going to hit, this is the home page. You can go to the about page, portraits, sculptures, wearable art. But let's start with the home page. Just all you do is hit edit live and then hover over the area you want to edit. So if it's copy, you can edit this. You can get rid of that. You can edit here. This is another text box. See, it says text box. That's called an element too. Put in here, hello, Abby. You need to put some content here. Then the only thing you got to remember is always hit save. Okay, and then you can go over to the other tab and refresh to make sure that it took place. There you go. I'm gonna go back over here, scroll down. Any of this stuff is editable. You can even add an element. I won't get into that now, but if you, just to show you can add any of these things, almost like a building block if you want to start playing with different stuff. And as always, you can just call me and I can explain it too. On these, I know we talked about maybe changing these. You got to open it up, then open it again. You got to go look at the image size and then create something in Canva probably and bring it over and insert it. So I'm not going to mess with that right now, but you said you might want to change that. So let me know what images you might want there. When you leave the back end, the live editing part of the site, all you do is click over here on this X and you can exit to the back end. You can exit to the dashboard or the front end. I'm going to exit to the dashboard. Okay, really quick, because I want to make this video short, is once again, you're not going to really mess with anything in Veda. You will add to your portfolio. So you might go to the portfolio page. You will maybe add some pages, take some pages away as you start getting better at keeping up the site. And the other thing you would probably mess with is appearance only when you deal with menus, to add pages over here to the menu. And then don't forget to save the menu. So that's, I'm going to go back here. So that's really how you edit the live site. I would work on the home page. I'd work the About Abby page, maybe put a bio, which would require, actually I'm going to do that right now so you can see. You would need to change this image, but I'm going to add below this a text box. And I'm going to type here, this is where your bio needs to go. Please add it. And then you can even, almost like a Word document, you could center it. I'll leave it like that. Now don't forget, you gotta save. And then let's go to the front end. Scroll down. And there it is. Okay, so this is video 1, just in general how to edit a page.